Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria division Cyanophyta, and previously it is known as Pilucrine algae. Cyno means pilu and bacteria means that they are more closely related to prokaryotic algae than eukaryotic bacteria. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly and press the bell icon button for get the notification of our next video. Cyanobacteria, they are largest and most diverse group of photosynthetic bacteria, microscopic organism. They live in extreme environments, chemically and temperature is high. Characteristics of cyanobacteria: cell type: true prokaryotes lack true nucleus and nuclear membrane. Size and shape: they vary in size and range in diameter from 1 to 10 micrometer. Locomotion: they lack flagella, use gas vesicle to move in water. Pigments: chlorophyll A, phycobilins, phycoerythrin and phycocyanins. Characteristics of cyanobacteria: storage, glycogen, cell wall, amino acids and sugars. Habitat: marine, freshwater, hot spring, terrestrial soil, flora. Forms of cyanobacteria: unicell with mucilaginous envelope, clunies, filaments, uniciliate in a single row or multiciliate, not true branching when trichomes are more than in one rows. Features: trichome, row of cells. You can observe here in diagram the filaments, a chain-like structure. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Features: mucilaginous sheet. Function: protect cell from drying and involved in gliding. Sheet is often colored: red color due to acidic, blue color due to basic, and yellow and brown show the high salt concentration. Features: heterocyst, thick-walled cell, hollow-looking and larger than vegetative cells. Function: they provide the anaerobic environment for nitrogen fixation. You can observe here heterocyst in diagram. The swollen cell is called heterocyst. Heterocysts are the larger than vegetative cells, hollow looking, thick walled, do not allow atmospheric gas to enter, photosynthetically inactive, no carbon dioxide fixation or oxygen evolution. Formation of heterocyst triggered by you can observe here in diagram heterocyst, vegetative cells, anabina. Nitrogen fixation: only cyanobacteria and prokaryotic bacteria can fix nitrogen. Of these, two only cyanobacteria evolve oxygen during photosynthesis, important because nitrogenase enzyme involved in fixing nitrogen and is inactivated by oxygen. Cyanotoxins in cyanobacteria. Neurotoxins, for example, block neurons transmission in muscles, and its example is anabina. Hepatotoxin, they inhibit protein phosphatase, cause liver bleeding found in drinking water, for example anabina, nostrec, oscillatoria. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our videos, and if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section, and you can also share your point of view with us in comment section. Reproduction in Cyanobacteria. Sexual reproduction occur completely absent. Asexual reproduction, its occurrence, you can say that it reproduces asexually by following methods: Harmogonia formation, endospore and acnete formation, fragmentation, exospores. Asexual reproduction, you can observe here in diagram: Harmogonia, broken piece of a filament. Oscillatoria with Harmogonia, you can observe here in diagram. Short piece of trichomes that become detached from the parent filament and glide away to form new filament. Asexual reproduction. Acnetes, thick-walled resting spore. Function, resistant to unfavorable condition, appeared as larger cell in the chain and different than heterocyst. You can observe here the acnate structure in diagram. You can also observe here acnetes. Asexual reproduction with the help of fragmentation. Filaments break to form small fragments. Each fragments or each filament grow to form new clone. Classification of Cyanobacteria. Some live in freshwater. Cyanobacteria, non-filamentous, reproduce by binary fission or fragmentation, for example Crococcus. And some live in marine, grow as epiphytes, form filaments, reproduce by spore formation. And some Cyanobacteria are harmogonales. They live in freshwater, filamentous, reproduce by Harmogonia formation, for example nostoc, anabina and oscillatoria. You can observe here growth forms: Crococcus, oscillatoria, anabina, nostoc. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.